Yeah, welcome back to the channel. I was thinking just for the fun of it to put on mounting the LED light who's going here and put the wires through and into the car here so that I'll connect it to one of the battery. I think I'm going to connect to this side because it looks like they start to empty out that battery first, so don't kill off one battery and one is left. So just to start, just to do a little today too. That'd be nice just to see the lighting up before I give up today. I'm not sure if I'm going to connect it to the long light high beam or if I'm just going to use one separate connector in the car, or what do you call it? Knapp. I have bought earlier a set. I have this on off. I can use separate for a light bar. Trying not to rename. This one should be the right place now. Those here. Going in with 4 nuts, bolts. So it's kind of difficult to adjust it, I would say. There, just going on like that on both sides. I come back. There, 4 screws. Now I think it's more or less on right place. Now just move it up here. There. And this is very sturdy in the way I mounted it in back. Now try to get the wire fixed. Now I have to connect the wires. So I have on this system, I have to put it out there now. So you can see. This wire is coming out here. And for the mounting reasons, I should take it out. Now it's out in the front of the car, because I need to drag it back from here. Yeah. Now I put on shrink rubber or plastic around this wire. Now I have to put on connectors on this here. There. Both of them are the same color, but it doesn't matter. Then of course red on red. Black on black, because it's black is minus, red is plus. It's the most normal way of putting on 12 voltage system. Then try to get the rubber sealant outside of this. here. The connector is more or less halfway. If I had my heat gun here, I could have used that. There. It's like that when I can't find the right tools. I'll just drag that wire. In here is more protected than out there. Yeah, now I have connected to the light. Now I can connect the relay. One serious problem that I see with this one is not meant to be driven through the main light of the car. I would like a different type of relay. This is just on off and a fuse on the other side. That means it could be standing with power on it all the time, and I don't like that. So I have to see what to do, because this is not a good solution at all. So this set of wires, if I known it was like this, I wouldn't have bought it. That's the truth. This relay is completely wrong for the way I'm thinking it, because this is just made for letting me have this to open and close. But I don't want this. My idea was it's supposed to go on the main light. This system, it's very nice to have this one in too. I would like to have it like when I put on the long light, big light, main light, headlight, call it what you want. I want the light bar to come on at the same time. And with this, I have another problem. The problem is that I need to have many problems. This one is always going to light up a little light, so it's going to drag a little power from the battery all the time. I don't want that. So when I'm not going to use it then for a while, I just have to disconnect the fuse, of course. Then it will be dead. This was not right, but I can just connect it so you see that it's working. At least we have done something tonight, and then I have to try to see if I find some other relay that is right for the thing I want. I'm putting wire for that, but at least let's try to get this to work now. Now I connected this to the plus, and then I just have to connect this one to a minus somewhere. That can be more or less everywhere. I don't like it to have it down on the battery, so Maybe I take it on one of those who I was up with earlier. There. Now you see, this is the problem. I have lights, it's coming, it's no problem. Problem is this connector that I don't like. But at least this system is working. I can leave it in there for now and just take out the fuse. I can find a way to hang up the wires so get that out of the way. So everything like that is better. I need to fix this. This is not like I want it, so I have to find another way. But my good advice for the moment is maybe don't buy this set. It was not expensive, there's nothing with that, but it's wrong. You can't have it like this. Standing in the car, eating up power all the time. Even if I have it in the car, I can't. It's not right. So, have to see. The light is working, the light is mounted as it should, is connected to the battery and everything. It's just the control who is not right. So thank you for coming by. I hope you like my information here, even if it was not like I was hoping it to end it today. I ended it with making light and making me look for a better solution. So maybe it's some other set out there that you guys should be looking for instead of buying this on eBay and things. This is coming with a lot of the lights. If this is okay for you, just to have this one inside, then it's no problem. Or it's one problem, it's using electricity. So draining your battery slowly, but it's draining it. When I find a better solution, I'm coming back with that. For the moment, this is everything for tonight. So thank you for coming by. Please subscribe to the channel. Please give me advice. If you find some other wiring which is working very well, please tell me, so I can just buy it and put it in and show it to other ones. I would like a connector who could connect directly with a H4 connector in the end, wiring was split out, and an H4 on the other end, and then into a relay from that system. That would be very simple. You wouldn't have need to cut any wires or nothing. So that is what I'm hoping to find. If not, maybe I should try to build one myself, and then find a nice place for a relay and maybe change off these wires. It was very short, so I get things to work. Yeah, but thank you. Please come back, please subscribe, please follow the channel and put a comment to help me and help others. Thank you.